Hi there, everybody. My name is Rob Anderson. I'm an illusionist here in Las Vegas, and we are on the Strip tonight. I just met Hunter and Marissa. They're all the way in from Texas, Houston, Texas, and we're doing street magic. We're going to do street magic for them. Talked to them earlier, found out, Hunter, this is your lady, right? How long have you two been together?
4 years.
4 years?
It's about 4 years.
Cool, congrats on that. We're going to tie that in a little bit here, okay? 4 years ago, you went on some of your first dates, yes? Got to know each other. Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Maybe something like that. Might have been 5 or 6. You went on your first dates several years ago.
Yes, sir.
I'd like to take you back to some of those first dates with a first trick. All right, Hunter, could you please hold your hand out just like this? Marissa, could you hold your hand out just like this? Maybe on those first dates, you might have held hands. You're going to hold hands in a minute here. I've got the 9 of clubs, a card which I am going to hand to Hunter. Marissa's hand is going to go on top, so you're holding hands, like on some of those first dates, maybe. Feeling that romance, right? I am going to, yeah, it was good dates. I've got another card. I've got the 6 of hearts. Hearts, I think, are better. They represent love. I think you should have the hearts. I just want you to tell me if you feel that. You can feel that, yes? Do you feel that, yes?
Sure.
Did you feel that?
Yeah.
Oh, you felt that.
Oh, no.
She got it. Look what you have. Look what you have. The hearts. The hearts. That's good.
It's good.
It's a good card for you both to have. That's good. Thank you. I like that one. Thank you very much. Let's do another one.
Okay.
You two found each other, bonded. I'd like to talk about that with a little bit of magic. We're going to need a marker in a minute. I'm going to hand that to Hunter. I'd like you to hold on for that. Hold on to that for just a minute. We're going to get a couple of cards for this. Hunter, just say stop anywhere you want.
Stop.
We'll use the 7 of clubs for this. 7 of clubs will be your card. I would just like you to put your name on the bottom of the 7 of clubs under my thumb. Put your name right there if you could with that Sharpie. Yeah, just draw right on over the card. That's great. Hunter, perfect. You put your name on that card. We'll recognize it when we see it. We know that it is your card because it's got your name on it real big. We're going to keep this face up in the deck. We're going to get back to this later. We're going to get a card for you as well. Let's use the 4. We'll use the 4. I'd like you to put your name on the top of the 4 right there for me. That's great. We have 1 card face up, 1 card face down. We're going to get back to this later on. I'm going to put this face down. I'm not going to find your cards. I think they should find each other like this. I'll take this. I would like you both to take one hand and just pinch the deck right there. Just give a little squeeze together. Think about your memories. Stop. Let go. You just brought your cards together. They found each other. Watch. If we go through here, we're going to find 1 card face up in the deck right now. It is the 7 with Hunter's name on it. We put it there like that so we know it's face up. But the one right next to Hunter's card, I think it would be cool if that card wound up being Marissa's card. They found each other. They found each other. They did. Here's what's cool about these cards. We're going to put these 2 cards together so they look like they become almost 1 card. We're going to try to bond them. Some of your memories have bonded you. Some of your exciting memories, like your trip to Vegas right here, very exciting memory. It's helped create your bond. And then of course, there's those important conversations that you've had that have helped bond you together, made memories, you know? And some of your memories are a little more mundane, sitting around trying to figure out what to watch on Netflix. Still a memory. Still creates part of your bond. We have 2 intertwined cards right here. I would like you, Hunter, to pinch the top card with Marissa's name. Marissa, I would like you to pinch the bottom card with Hunter's name right there. I want you to think about some of your memories that have bonded you. You can feel this happening, yes? You can feel this, yes?
Yes.
I am just going to remove part of that doesn't matter, leaving you. You can let go with an impossible representation.
That was good.
Thank you. Of your bond together. There you go.
That was good.
You can put that in your purse. We'll get back to it later on. There you go. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I like that one too. Hunter, could you hold out your right hand just like this one more time? With your other hand, I'd like you to point 1 finger. I'm going to give you a card, sort of special. Put your finger on top so it doesn't blow away. It's a blank card. There's nothing currently on here right now. I'm going to take it back for just a second. It is blank. We need to make this into something though. Hunter, I would like you to think about a card that you would like to turn this into. You'll do this. Put your hands like they were before. There you go. I'm going to hand this back to you. Visualize this turning into any card you would like to hand Marissa. Put your finger on top so it doesn't, there you go. Visualize that turning into a card you would like to give to her, anything you would like to give to her, going from your mind down your arms to your hands, transforming right now. You're making this happen. You and I are going to take a peek at this card, and you thought of a good card, Hunter. Why don't you take that, and when you're ready, I'll let you show Marissa the card, okay?